Well, we find ourselves here again in the old fart in the kitchen. I'd hoped to make this before Thanksgiving because this is the most incredible cranberry sauce, or relish as you might want to call it. Not out of a can, you make it yourself, and it's really simple. It uses just 3 simple ingredients: cranberries, a whole Naval Orange, including the skin, and whatever sweetener you want to use. Now, I make it using my xylitol, which is a non-sugar sweetener, but you can make it with anything you want. It doesn't matter. You just have to get the sweetness to the level you like it best. And that's always different for everyone. Some people like it tart, because these things are tart. This adds some sweetness, and then this levels it all out. Some people like to put in a little bit of maple syrup to add just that little extra flavor. It's up to you. So all we do is we put this into here. First we wash these, making sure they're clean, taking out the old stuff. Same thing with the orange. I wash it off with soap because we're going to eat everything there. You never know where they've been. Okay, next step. We're going to take this, I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to bring this in here. My old faithful Cuisinart that's got to be 35 years old if it's a day. I then just lock this in place, which is a little difficult with my old Cuisinart. There we go. Put the blade down. Pour these guys in. Want to chop up the orange. Nice sharp knife. Nice sharp knife is best. Okay, I made a boo-boo. I'm doing it back to front here, and the whole thing is back to front as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, I had the handle on the wrong side, so it didn't go. So just click it in, put this on this way. I had done it back to front, and we just press the pulse, get them chopped up a bit. Okay, open this up, pour in the sweetener, and I keep doing this for a little while until it makes the right consistency. Okay, so I've moved this off into the middle so you can see it a little better. We don't need the cutting board anymore. So we just do it for a little while. I do it in pulses so it doesn't turn it into a mush. Then with spatula, just push everything down so it gets chopped. Now, I personally like it to be a bit textury. It's looking nice. Let's see if I can zoom in on it a bit. Okay, then at this point I like to take a spoon, check it. No, so good. It's that perfect mix of sweet and sour, sweet and tart, as you might say. But I want to make it a little finer than it is at the moment. Perfect. Perfect. Just the way I like it best. I don't know if you can see this, but on a spoon, let's see if I can lift it up so you can see it. So now we can take it off, if I can remember how to get it off. I can take it off, move this aside. And you can see what a lovely texture it is. We use this not just at Christmas and Thanksgiving, but we put it on our cereal, we put it on our toast. It almost makes a good jam or jelly, so you can do it any time of the year and really enjoy it. So now, it's made. You can eat it straight away. What we like to do is make it the day before we're first going to use it, put some cling wrap over the top, let it sit in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours, because then all the flavors merge together and it becomes really, really delicious. You can keep eating this, stays in the refrigerator for quite a long time, and we use it over a period of, I don't know how long we're supposed to use it, but we're off eating it two weeks later. So, hoping I get this time in Christmas, save it for Thanksgiving next year. We will use it with anything, and we usually have turkey at Christmas as well as Thanksgiving, so it works really well. It's fabulous with turkey. Good luck and good eating.